Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Tuesday, January 14th. Here are today's top headlines. Cognex has launched the DataMan 290 and 390 barcode readers, featuring advanced AI technology for reliable decoding across diverse manufacturing applications. These user-friendly devices simplify setup, handle varied and low-quality codes with ease, offering scalable solutions for both standard and complex barcode scanning needs. WeRide is powering a new pilot project in Switzerland's Furttal region, funded by the Canton of Zurich and Swiss National Railway, and managed by the Swiss Transit Lab. The initiative, involving autonomous vehicles booked via an app, showcases WeRide's L4 technology and marks its third European project in 8 months, highlighting its growing influence in intelligent transportation networks. SolarEdge Technologies is partnering with Summit Ridge Energy to supply domestically manufactured inverters and power optimizers for Summit Ridge's rooftop solar projects, expected to exceed 100 megawatts. Initial shipments from SolarEdge's Tampa facility will begin in April 2025, supporting Summit's growing development pipeline. Beam Global has announced that its EV ARC, BeamBike, BeamWell, and BePetrol products have received the CE mark, meeting EU health, safety, and environmental standards for sale across the European Economic Area. This certification enables Beam Global to expand its market reach while bolstering consumer trust in its product quality and safety.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.